Hey, what's up? It's Eddie. Welcome to week one. And this week, as we start off, just a big thing first that we're asking ourselves is, are we meeting the needs of diverse learners? And despite all of the hurrah and hoopla around ed tech, the reality is no, we most more often than not, we are not meeting the needs of diverse learners. And typically we're saying, with technology, it's an accelerator, we're doing this. But those are things that have been said going back to 1984 with Seymour Papert. So in the big picture, you'll read a little blurb here. You're also going to see where I tell you where our readings come from, and they come from Larry Cuban, really awesome researcher who's really put in the time as a teacher, as an administrator, then a professor at Stanford. And this guy actually still blogs. And what's really cool is that he what he blogs on turns into a book, and his books are like really awesome works. So I give you like the little bit of background there. Go through the readings. We're gonna do a discussion board on the readings, but it's gonna be on Flipgrid. We're also going to do a discussion board on setting up a group. So you're going to start setting up a group this week. The group that you make this week is going to be the group that you have for the next 3 weeks. And within that discussion board, there's a couple things that you're going to do. So first, you got to get to the discussion. Over here on the left-hand side, you'll see the discussion board. So let me open it up. And then what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to do this here first, the initial values form. And so in this one, I just want you to start out with sorting these. You'll make a copy, file, make a copy, and then you're going to sort these out and what you think is the most important. And obviously some of these are more difficult for you to order, and that's all right. And if you want to, and then these last two are left blank, where you can fill them in with whatever you want. And again, how you fill that out is going to be up to you. But in your when you go into this discussion board, the week one discussion forming groups, you're gonna leave this link in there. You're gonna give us a little blurb about why you ordered them that way, and then you're going to try and match up with some people and be a part of a group. There's going to be suggestions for roles that you can make with them. You can be the researcher, the curriculum specialist, the project manager. These are just some suggestions, but the one that you're definitely going to need is somebody that's a web designer. Your web designer is going to go here in this column, and this is going to be the person that has editing rights on the Google site. As a group, you're going to choose which one you're into. I mean, you can even kind of go backwards and choose the topic that you want to get into and then try and fit into it. But we're only going to be able to take 3 people per topic. And if there's something on here that you want to do, but it's not there, so it has to be more of a more inquiry based or innovative lesson design, you can put it or you can let me know, and then I'll insert it here at the bottom. But these are the ones that I'm starting out with, so there should be 3 on each one. Get yourself in a group, choose the one that you're going to have, and then and participate in the discussion boards. And as you go through it, you'll see here the task, simple. Complete the initial values form, the discussion board on the readings. And then here I go in a little bit deeper with the details. Have a great weekend. Pleasure having you in the course. And I look forward to seeing you in the discussion boards and meeting you on Flipgrid. Ideally, eventually, we'll get to meet each other in real life as well. Stay safe.